Question number 15 will be given. Eliminate the x, y, z. Eliminate the x, y, z. And question will be given a equal to x bar y minus z, and b is equal to y bar z minus x, and c equal to z bar x minus y. And you can find or eliminating the x, y, z and solve the determinant like its coefficients elements. So that now you can solve this equations, three equations. A into a is equal to x y y minus z. कौन सा देखो? Question will be given. Eliminate the x, y, z and solve this determinants. So that a equal to देखो कौन से a equal to x bar y minus z. So that this can be simply पर लिखा होता है from equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, equation 2, equation 1. Equation 1 कौन है? A equal to x by y minus z. So that this will be a y minus a z is equal to x. So that x minus a y plus a z is equal to 0. Yes or no? Again, from equation 2, question will be given b equal to y bar z minus x, y bar z minus x. So that simply cross multiplication, the answer will be y is equal to bz minus bx. So that this will be b y minus bz plus bx is equal to 0. Again, bx minus plus y minus bz is equal to 0. Now, from equation 3, c is equal to z bar x minus y is equal to z bar x minus y. Simply you can cross multiplication. That is z is equal to cx minus cy. So that this will be cx minus cy minus z equal to 0. पहले equation 1 कौन डाला? ना x minus ay plus az is equal to 0. Equation b will be given bx. This will be write down it. That is x minus ay plus az equal to 0. And second equation will be given bx plus y minus bz equal to 0. And third equation will be given cx minus cy minus z equal to 0. Now you can solve by eliminating the variable x, y, z. Now so that this can be write down in determinant way like its coefficients, that is what and coefficient x, y, z रो देखिए कौन बोले हुए ना determinant way. So that write down in this way like is determinant. Coefficient of x is 1, b and c. So 1, b, c. And coefficient of y is minus a, 1, minus c. And coefficient of z is a minus b minus j 1. Now you can solve the determinants by expanding any row or any column. So that now you can expanding process पर कुछ expanding करो result करो. So that now you can expanding along row 1. Row 1 you just करेगा then you can expanding. So that this will be 1 into eliminating by deleting the first row and first column. So remaining element will be 1 minus b minus c minus 1. Then here will be plus minus plus. So minus into minus plus, that is plus a, and eliminating by deleting the first row and second column. Then our remaining element can be write down in determinant way like a b minus b, c minus 1, and last is we can element is a. So eliminating by eliminating the first row and third column, then remaining element can be write down in determinant way. That is b 1 c minus c. Now we can expand it. It is 1 into principal diagonal element of multiplication minus of diagonal. So that is non-diagonal. So 1 into minus 1. So a into plus a into this. This is the answer of this determinant. By eliminating the variable x, y, z. This is the process to find the eliminating of x, y, z of the determinant. And question number 16 will be given. बहुत important question है ना. Question number 16 given. देखो बेटा. तो खाते रे बटुटी करिवो. If any doubts, message करो. तो कॉल करके पूछ करिवो. Given the equation x equal to, question number 16 given, x is equal to cy plus bz, cy plus bz, and another question will be given y is equal to by, y is equal to az plus cx, az plus cx. And third equation will be given z equal to bx plus ay. देखो also. And question will be what given? Now, where x, y, and z are not all 0, you have to prove that. What prove करेगा? Now a square plus b square plus c square plus 2abc is equal to 1 by determinant methods. Determinant methods हम यूज करिबा and prove करिबा. This determinant value will be equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2abc. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2abc is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Now you can just simplify the equation. Just simplify that. This is the equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3, and you can solve. Prove the a square plus b square plus c square plus 2abc equal to 1. So that our answer will be, now simplify like as x from equation 1. Equation 1. How much? Now x equal to cy plus bz. Now taking one side, x minus cy minus bz is equal to 0. This is our equation 1. From equation 2, just need to simplify. Taking one side equation, y equal to az plus cx. So that this will be az plus cx minus y is equal to 0. Now cx minus y plus az equal to 0. And third equation will be from equation 3. That is z equal to bx plus ay. Bx plus ay. So that just simplify. It is bx plus ay minus z equal to 0. Now, if you write down in the equation determined way, if लिखिबा का कोएफिशिएंट मान जो x y z वाला इक्वेशन है तार कोएफिशिएंट मान का राइट डाउन करिबा डिटरमिनेंट वे. You can write down the coefficient of variables in determinant way. That is the consequence. Now x minus cy minus bz equal to 0. X minus cy minus bz equal to 0. And second equation will be given cx minus y plus az equal to 0. Cx minus y plus az equal to 0. And third equation will be equation 1 is this 2. Third equation will be bx plus ay minus z equal to 0. Now we can write down the variable of x, y and z in determinant way. Like taking the determinant, and this is the equation of 3 by 3. Also the variable or complement is 3 by 3. So that the variable x is 1, variable y is minus c, and variable of z is minus b. And from equation 2, the variable of x is 1, sorry c. देखो variable equation 1 में कौन था variable x y z रे 1 minus c minus b, and the equation 2 रे the variable of x y z is c minus 1 a, c minus 1 a. In the equation 3 the variable of x y z is b a minus 1. This is the variable of x y z. You can write down in determinant of this way. Now we can prove that determinant value is equal to s square plus b square plus c square plus 2abc is equal to 1. Equal to 1. Now we can expanding. Expanding करिवो. Along the we can expanding along row 1 or column. Now the determinant will be 1 into, we can deleting the first row and first column, then the remaining element is minus 1 a minus 1 minus 1 a minus 1. भल से बुझो केमती बाहर डिटरमिनेंट देखो फर्स्ट ले 1, सो 1 कोथि रहछि ना फर्स्ट रो रे फर्स्ट कॉलम रे ताको डिलीटिंग करबा से रो कॉलम बा एलिमिनेटिंग कर दवा, देन द रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट को लिखिबा केमती ना डिटरमिनेंट वे minus 1 a minus 1. Similarly this will be minus c, so this will be sign gives the minus, so opposite sides plus minus plus, so minus into minus plus c, so that this c is belongs to first row and second column. So the remaining element is c a b minus 1, c a b minus 1. Again the third element is minus b. In expanding this, it belongs to first row and third column. Then the remaining element will be write down c minus 1 b a. Now you can using this like a principal diagonal element from multiplication minus of diagonal. Principal diagonal multiplication minus of diagonal. Principal diagonal multiplication minus of diagonal. Then you can find the values like as the proof s square plus b square plus c square plus 2abc is equal to 1. तो पाई जीरो ऑटोमेटिकली तो प्रूव करो फाइंड आउट करो. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, one of the most important question. Now क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 तो निजे ट्राई करिवो. देखो एबे एग्जांपल तो देखि थे हमें minor किंतु फाइंड आउट करो. हाउ टू फाइंड द माइनर एंड कोफैक्टर ऑफ द डिटरमिनेंट्स. फाइंड द minors and cofactor of determinants. Minor and cofactor को find out करिबा of the determinants. Like if the given determinants अच्छी ना गोटे ए डिटरमिनेंट गिवन अच्छी मैं लिखली कौन फर्स्ट देखो ए विथ द डिटरमिनेंट गिवन अच्छी डिटरमिनेंट को कितने लिखा जाए तो दीटा वर्टिकल लाइन मतलब मे बी 2/2 order determinant like as A, B, C, D. And we have to find out the minor of element determinants. That is minor of any elements of determinant. That is first of all we have to find out the minor of A, minor of element A. And how to find? You can deleting the minor of A, that is deleting the first row in first column, so that the minor of A is deleting को लिखिए rest element रहेगा D is D. Similarly, you can find out the minor of B. Minor of B, that is the 2/2 order determinant row. एमती ही पाइबा क्योंकि minor of B is so that deleting the first row in second column. The rest element is again you can find the minor of C. Minor of C means we can deleting but leave the second row in first column. That is the rest element is B. बुझी नहीं. Similarly, minor of D. Minor of D is eliminating the second row in second column. And the rest element is A. This is the way of to find the minor of determinant. And minor of determinant can be represented like Mij. Mij means minor of respective row and respective row columns. Minor of respective row and respective मन रखो कौन पूछी लेट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द माइनर ऑफ M11. M11 means represent the first row in first column. First row, first column. It is which is the first row in first column elements. The first row, देखो, the first row is the first row in first column, and intersection part is A. So M11 is which? M11 क्या ताले? A. तो M11 का minor क्या? D. बुझेला? M11 is D. Again, we have to find out M12. M12 means M12. First row, second row. First row देखो, क्या लिखो? A, B, C, D. The first row, this is the first row. Second column, M12. देखो naming है M12. First row, second column. That is first row in second column. And the intersection part is B. And what is the minor of B? That is C. बुझेला? Minor of B is C. Similarly, you can find M21. M21. Second row, first column. अच्छा second row क्या है? C. First column, so element is B. Similarly, M22, that is A. बुझेला? So minor means we can find out the each and every elements of the determinant and how to find the respective row and the respective column element गुड़ा को deleting करिबा, then we have to find the minor of the determinants. Now we can find out the minor of 3/3 order determinants and how to find the determinant of minors 3/3 orders.